Welcome, Nabia Wisdom here at Meridian Wisdom Haven Ministries. I just wanted to come on here and give a quick word of encouragement, love, harmony, peace, and light. Word of wisdom. Every day is a new opportunity for you to rebuild, for you to rejuvenate, for you to reanalyze and apply new ideas to your circumstances. You have a right to evolve, to grow, to change. We're all in this together. It might not always feel that way, but it is what it is. And you have a right to heal. So take that time today and invest in yourself a little bit, just a little.